So I had a good weather day today, and I thought I would get out and do another backing session with a youngster. But the dilemma today was we had some wind, and he was a little bit jittery because we had some trees moving beside us, and the branches were making some clacking noises. So that was sort of making him a little bit uptight. But I thought I would just work on the mounting block and just see how things went. And if he was quiet enough, then I would try mounting him. The other complication was we also had a tarp with hay underneath it, and the wind was blowing the tarp up. And that was just to the other side. So you can see the tarp here beside us flapping away. But I was just going to work on getting him at the mounting block, getting him calm, getting him quiet, and just seeing how it goes. So here I didn't hook up my mic, so I'm just doing a little audio overlay. Oh, and there he goes. He had some trees moving, and that spooked him. So we bring him back to the mounting block and get him in a calm state again. And I just want to work with a routine because he knows this routine. We go to the mounting block, we stand beside it, we get him squared up, and then we walk away when he's good. So if I can get him back into that routine, then I can have him have some healthy expectations of what's going to happen next, and that will help him to calm down. I also have some treats to give him, and that helps him when he's chewing so he can be calm. We do that here and there as well, just to give him a little treat to distract him and calm him down so he's chewing. And then there's also some traffic. I think the road was a little bit wet, so the traffic noises were a little bit noisier than normal. So you can see here he's got a little bit of a higher head. So when he's good standing, we take him for a little walk, just to unlock those legs. Get him back to the mounting block and get him squared up again. Just getting him focused on the job. And I'm just trying to read him to see if he's actually ready to back. So there's a little shudder there. He was a little bit spooked, but he didn't move, so he's thinking, which is really good. You can watch his ears. He's really paying attention to what's happening behind him. So he was standing nicely. We take him for another walk. Release from the mounting block. And I want to get him squared up on his front feet again for balance. For me, that's really important, that his two front feet are balanced so he can take the weight when I get on. can see his head's coming down a little more, so he's a little more relaxed now. But he's still paying attention to the noises around him. There's another little startle, but he knows he's not supposed to move, so he's really thinking. I really like this about him. He really tries. We unlock his legs again, take him for another little walk. Reward the fact that he was standing still for me very nicely there. This is a routine he knows, so we want to just keep that routine fairly stable, something he knows what to expect. Get him back to the mounting block and get him squared up again with his front feet. He's having a little bit of a hard time to square up. There's a lot of things going on in the bush with the noises. So here we're just working on getting him focused. It's important to get him focused back on his job, even though there's a lot of distractions around. We ride in the wind, so we need to work in the wind as well. So even though it's windy, I still wanted to do something today and achieve some sort of progress on this training. Whether I managed to get on him or not, that didn't matter. I still wanted to work on focusing on standing still at the mounting block and focusing on the job. So here he's looking really good. His head's nice and low. His ears are paying attention to me. Take him for another walk again. We're getting him back to a nice place. Another gust of wind. He's not sure. There's another little startle. And we want him squared up. So we're going to work on getting those front feet square. And I think here I start to put weight in the stirrup with one foot, just to get him ready. Yeah, we're a little far from the mounting block here. Yeah, I like to pull the stirrup just to give him a little snap to know it's coming. And then I put a foot in the stirrup and just put some weight in it. And again, just so he feels that weight in the saddle. He's looking good. Could almost mount him now. He's pretty focused. I like that he's come back. Another foot in the stirrup, put some weight on it. And we're thinking about getting on. And I'm getting ready and thinking about getting on more weight in the stirrup. And he looks good. And then I'm expecting a round bale today, and the tractor just happens to arrive. So we abandon ship for that until the tractor comes and delivers me a hay bale. Okay, so after the excitement with the tractor, getting our round bale, here we are back again. Let's try this again and see if we can get you focused again. Good. How's that? How's that little foot, eh? Okay, I just want you a little bit square here. Yeah, that one there. A little more. There. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Okay. There. Okay. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. So we got a little bit of a high head here. Oh, and let's put weight in the saddle again with the stirrup. Yeah, good. And we're leaning. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, let's get your head over there. Don't bite my feet. Okay. Yeah, let's fix you. Let's fix you. I need that foot square. Yeah, this one here. I'm gonna have to come down, eh? Because this is not really steady up here. Let's get that foot back. Yeah. Good. How about that one? Oh, there's some noisy traffic. Somebody with a wagon or something. Okay, let's go. Sideways. Sideways. And the tarp is blowing. Yeah. And sideways. Yeah, we have to go the other way. Sideways. 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 Yeah, good boy. How's the foot? Okay, a little bit. This one. This one. This one. This one here. Good. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good. Okay. Let's try this again. Good. Yeah, eh? When's our next gust of wind, eh? Eh? When's our next distraction? Eh? Good. So, let's just see. Yeah. Is that helping? And you just stepped out of place there. We want to get your foot back. Step up. Step up. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, good boy. Square up. Square up. Fix it. Yeah, fix it. Yeah, it's not too bad. But let's try and get it as close as possible to square. That's nicer. Much nicer. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Good lad, hey? Put your head down. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't bite me. Okay, let's just try this. Let's just try this, yeah, and you're moving. I don't want you moving. I want you standing still. Okay, we had a lot of distractions, so we're really having a hard time to get back, eh? We're doing pretty good though, eh? One more. One more. One more. Good. Good. That's it. Good. Good boy. Good boy. I like that. I like that. I like that. Good boy. He's looking again. Trees are moving.
I'm just going to see if I can get him focused here. Here, there. Good, yeah. Okay. I'm going to stay here. Yeah. Yeah, we got some wind. Got some wind. Good boy. Good boy. Ooh. Ooh. I'm just going to try this and see if I can even get a couple of seconds up here. Good boy. And trying to get down, and it's not very graceful, but that was good. Hey, I'm happy we could at least do that and get started somewhere. So that's good. So he can focus. Let's get back. Yeah. I should take you for a little walk, but we're going to just see about getting you straight again. Good. Good. Okay. And hopefully we're not going to have another gust. Oh. I want to be as graceful as possible getting on there. Good boy. And this is actually my bad side getting off. Oh no, it's not. It's my good side. So it's just a matter of getting that leg over. Good boy. Good boy. Very nice. Yeah. Okay, this is a workout for me. Okay, let's get you back. Let's get you back. Okay, and we're going to try. Ooh, good. Ooh. Yeah, his head's coming up a bit. I don't really like that. I want your head nice and low. Okay, there, that's better. Good, hey? Good. Ooh. So I want to see if I can get him to move his hip just a smidgen. Just maybe one step sideways. Yeah. There, that's all I want. Good. Good boy, that's all I want. And we'll see if we can do this somewhat gracefully. Yeah. So that's all I really want to do today. Get one little step under saddle. Took a long time to get here because of all the distractions and the wind. And he did pretty good, which tells me he's a pretty sensitive guy. I mean, he's going to spook at things like any other horse, but he can get back to focus and get back on the job. So that's very, very nice. Hey? So let's put our stirrups back. So this is a good learning opportunity for him to, even just working through those distractions is very, very good. And he knew how to move his foot, his hip, because I worked on the groundwork to move him with the halter and the pressure on the hip. So that was also good, something he remembered how to do. Very nice. Good boy. Okay. Good, we didn't die. Come on.